Good morning, students. I Priyanka Yadav. Today I teach you GK Chapter 2, Class 8th. Chapter name is Flightless Bird. जो बर्ड उड़ नहीं सकते. Read the clues of these flightless birds and write their name. Choose your answer from the help box. Our first question is, it is the largest bird. It lives in the grassland of Africa. It can run very fast. ये बहुत तेज दौड़ सकता है. Its eggs are the largest. इसके eggs सबसे बड़े होते हैं. And they are so hard that even a child can stand on them. एक बच्चा भी इनके ऊपर खड़ा हो सकता है. It has only 2 toes. Okay. Now answer is ostrich. Question number 2. The bird is also large and it is found in South Africa. It can run very fast by spreading its wings out like a sail. The male of this species incubates the eggs and look after the babies. It has 3 toes which help it to run faster than birds. Okay. Answer is emu. Now third question is, it is found in Antarctica regions. It swims with its flippers like wings and uses its webbed feet as rudder. The largest among them, the emperor penguin, and the smallest one are little blue penguin. Okay. And answer is penguin. Our next question is, fourth question, this bird is found in Australia and New Guinea. It is also big in size. The female of this species is bigger than male and brightly colored too. It has a powerful legs to run fast. इसके legs बहुत ही powerful होते हैं. A helmet like crest is found on its head. And answer is Kashovadi. Our next question is, fifth question, it is the national bird of the New Zealand. Its fur like feathers hid the teeny wings. Its nostrils are on the tip of its long beak. It can sift out worms that are in the soil. It is shy and natural. It is highly developed sense of smell. Okay. This is the picture and name of that bird is kiwi. Dear student, this is the answer key of chapter 2. Do this chapter with pencil in your fill this answers in books with pencil, and if you have no book, then you have to write this chapter in GK notebook. Thank you.